Good morning, everyone. Just want to show y'all some breathing exercises for self-healing that y'all can do for yourself and the health benefits of it, okay? And the man right
In
here,
the beginning,
Kabak,
and you watch me, and you do it too.
I put the name.
I am placing my hand in my stomach so then you can see when I exhale, then how my stomach goes in.
Really beneficial.
This was 25 times, and after this, you can take deep breath. You can take one more time, even deeper. Let us do together again.
These are some of the health benefits, y'all, that he says it does. Okay. Self-healing. You can look at his channel yourself. Okay.
More time, even deeper. Let us do together again 25 more times. Place your hands into your stomach and you will feel that your stomach goes in and your whole chest is expanding because it brings a lot of oxygen into your lungs. Today you learn Kapalbhati, and this is a very good process to bring stress out from your life and to bring peace in your life.
Yeah, you can do this as many times a day as you feel you need. Believe me, it helps. All right, y'all. Just thought I'd share. Love y'all. Like, subscribe, share, and comment. Appreciate y'all. Bye.